Hello everyone, my name is Gail, and today we're going to be talking about parenting outcomes from a child support program. So we already know that there's extensive research that's looked at the mental health of parents of autistic children, finding that on average, parents tend to have a higher likelihood of experiencing greater mental health difficulties, including things like anxiety and depression. And we know that support programs that target the development of child outcomes often place quite a high burden on parents, particularly when they're involved in the program delivery themselves. However, there is also evidence that supporting parental practices like mindful parenting can benefit parents and children. So this is a style of parenting that really focuses on being able to be in tune with a child and supporting your child in a non-judgmental manner and really paying attention to the present moment. So the study that we're talking about today was conducted in Canada and looked at evaluating the parenting practices like mindful parenting for those whose children were participating in a community-based program called Secret Agent Society. Now, this program aims to support autistic children's development of social communication and emotion regulation skills. So they cover things in this program like understanding and managing emotions, problem solving, coping with setbacks, managing bullying, and all the sessions are delivered in small child and parent groups. Now, the main findings from this study were really firstly that parents didn't really report improvements in their own mental health symptoms. And there are a few reasons for why this might have occurred. Most notably, many of the parents in this study were not really experiencing high levels of mental health challenges when they started the program. However, compared to starting the program, parents reported being more mindful in their parenting practices, specifically in being more non-judgmental, and finding that there were increased positive encouragement of their child and less coercive parenting practices. Additionally, the study reported that these improvements in mindful parenting and parenting practices were significantly related to how much children improved in their emotion regulation skills after the program. Now, it's important to note that this wasn't a controlled study. It was really evaluating the outcomes from this support program out in the real world, rather than in a strict controlled clinical trial. And there may have been some differences in the types of people who participated in this program, as the program had to occur online because it was occurring during the early periods of the COVID pandemic. However, these findings do provide us some promising evidence that positive changes in mindful parenting and positive parenting practices that can occur after participating in this program may actually impact the outcomes for children as well. And this study highlights that active parenting engagement in child-focused supports can really have beneficial impacts for both parent and children, specifically in supporting the development of mindful and positive parenting practices. So now this article is actually free to access, so follow the link in the description to find out more.